Okay guys, in this video we're dealing with online arbitrage, and the question often is, where do I go to get the deals? And if you followed me for any length of time, then you know that I like to use sites like Slickdeals, but that's not the only place I go. So in this quick video I'm going to show you two other places that I do source at, and we're going to see if we can find some deals. This is what to sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. Let's go! Okay guys, so real quick I'm going to show you some other ways you can find deals. Now, as you can see, I just went to Google, typed in discount shopping sites, and then you start to see all these different ones. Slickdeals is one that you always hear me talking about. Fat Wallet is no longer available. Man, that used to be a really good one. But the one we're going to look at right now is this one, Dealnews. Now, to make this quick, I already went through it and found a deal that I think we can jump on. But all you do is just look at some of these. Now, this is a site that's giving a percentage off of some certain categories. That's not what we're really looking for. We're kind of looking for actual deals. Like, for instance, this whatever this is, some type of DeWalt tool set or whatever it might be. Now, you have to look. Now, you'll notice this one is an Amazon deal. But what I'm going to show you real quick is you don't need to necessarily shy away from that. I have gotten some very good deals buying on Amazon with a coupon and then turning right around and selling that product on Amazon. That's typically referred to as an Amazon flip. So, like I said, just to make this quick, I'm going to come down. I mean, you can see the other deals that they have, and it's just like any other site that you're looking at. It's just a matter of sort of broadening, your horizons or whatever. Now, some of your Amazon deals like this one, I would have looked at this, but this is a deal that's on Amazon if you're a Prime member, and I am not. So if you happen to be one, you can take advantage of those as well. It took me probably about a good 15 minutes on this one. So you will have to put a little bit of time in there. But remember, that one deal is all you need. You can make your $30 to $50 for the day and move on. So anyway, I came down to this one, the Fantera 12-piece kitchen toy set. And you can see that's an Amazon deal. Actually, it doesn't even say it. But when you click on the link, then right away, you'll see that that's an Amazon deal. But here's what you need to pay attention to. There's only one person selling it. It's $49. And as you can see, when you use this coupon code, that drops the price down to $24.99. And I already, as you can see, added one to my cart just so that we can make sure that it's working. They charged you shipping and handling. They took it away right here. The promotion is applied. And this is what I would pay with tax. Now, I already put that into my revenue calculator. Now, I didn't put it in with the tax. If I put it in with the tax, then that would be $26.49. Without the tax, I would make $10.48. What did I say? $26.59? No, $26.49. And I could make $8.99 or basically $9. And that is a deal that I would jump on. The reason why is I have experience, and I'll tell you, these sets right here are popular. If you look at the keeper chart, it doesn't look like much. They're saying 5 per month. I can tell you, 9 times out of 10, they're selling more than that. If you look at who's selling it, it's a person, I guess the coupon isn't really coming from this person. With 9 ratings, I know it's not them. But that's something Amazon's doing as a deal. Whatever they're doing, that you could take advantage of that. This is one I would jump on. Now we're going to take a little bit more time, maybe. Another place I like to go is for everybody knows Walgreens, but it's a drugstore and they tend to carry other things. Now, what I would do at this site, I would just type in clearance. Let's see. Here's something. Couple of travel mugs. So all you would do, you got a 57% savings. So that's worth taking a look at. And I already know travel mugs, they sell pretty good on Amazon. So what I'll do is I'll just take this one we were looking at. Make sure you're at all. You don't want to be in the toy category, for example, looking for stainless steel mugs. You're not going to find it. We'll do a search. And I see 2 of them. In this case, I would probably go with the one that has Amazon's choice, because Amazon's going to promote that one better. I'm going to click on this one just to see what it's looking like, because apparently Amazon is allowing 2 separate listings, which they generally try to steer away from. But these, let's look at the keeper chart. $197 a month. Let me see. So then we'll make sure we go Prime. And of course we want new, but we can see new, it's 31. So what we'll do at that point, we'll take the ASIN, we'll stick that in there. That's 31. It's gonna run me maybe 50 cents to get it in. Gonna cost me $17.29 plus 6. Oops. $17.29 plus 6%. Gonna cost me $18.33. That's not a lot of dough. $2.31. Would I move on it? Possibly. You know, you're not always going to find the best deals, but you do need to, sometimes you do have to take advantage of those $2, $3 deals. Generally, I try to stay away from them, but when you look at the amount that you can move, I may jump on it. But that's just an example, guys, of how you find deals. I'm going to go ahead and end this video because I don't want to take up too much of your time. You do have to put your time in, guys. That's the biggest deal. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Probably go out and do some retail arbitrage for the next one, and I'll talk to you guys then. Thanks so much.
Okay, so that concludes this video, and I hope you got some value out of it. Bottom line, there are so many places where you can go and get great deals out there. So don't limit yourself. I mean, there's an unlimited amount of places. So never feel as though you can't find anything. You just have to do the work. Remember, this is not hard, but you have to put the work in. That's where the challenge comes. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when we put out more content. The videos will just keep coming, but without you, it's pointless. So thank you so much for your time. You make it all worthwhile. And one more thing, make sure you take advantage of the free 12-module video course teaching you everything you need to know in order to get started on Amazon. All you have to do is go to whattosellonamazon.com or onlineinternetprofits.com. Guys, it's too easy. You don't even need to type in anything. The link is in the description, so you can either click on the link or just copy and paste into your browser. Thanks so much, guys. This is What to Sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. I'm out.